And the first key to stress-free migration is test early and incrementally. Yes, testing. Testing is the best way to identify potential migration issues. Atlassian has prepared a full migration toolkit, and when you engage Highway 3 to assist with your migration, we also have our own migrating experience and analysis to guide our clients. Even with all of the experience and tools, it is still very difficult to predict what will happen when migrating your server data to the cloud. The best and only way to truly know is through testing. We recommend starting small and simple and increment from there until you're practicing migrating everything. Testing is the only way to determine migration timing. Most teams want to schedule the migration to happen over the weekend, as that is typically a convenient window of downtime. It is only through testing that you understand whether it will be possible to complete your migration in 2 days. Testing is how you know for sure how long each aspect of the migration will take, so you can confidently schedule your production migration window. Testing is also a key component of change management. When you include champions and super users as part of your testing team, they can spread the word, both about migration pitfalls, as well as generating excitement about the new cloud tools. These same testers can provide specific details that are relevant for your team and how you use Jira and Confluence. And we can incorporate that into communication about changes your users can expect with the transition to the cloud. Testing also gives product admins hands-on experience with managing the cloud products and assisting users in the cloud environment, so they're ready for launch day. For some background, Atlassian prescribes a 6-phase migration approach. Access, plan, prep, test, migrate, and launch. And throughout their graphics, an example is here on the slide, they suggest each phase is relatively the same, and they present it as a waterfall linear scenario. Based on our experience, we suggest a modified graphic. We believe the earlier you start testing migrating your data, the better. So as you can see from our modified timeline, we still incorporate assess, planning, and prep. However, we keep it simple and minimal, just enough to get to the point where you can run your first test. Then we test and iterate. For each test, you can refine your plan, do more server and cloud prep, update your change communication, as well as gain confidence. The goal with all of this testing is to get to the point where the production migration is predictable and anticlimactic. Smooth sailing with no issues. It should almost be boring.